compounds at a glance. Now I think it's time to move into discussing the reporting capabilities. So since masshunter was released about 10 years ago, we've taken advantage of Microsoft Excel and its add-in to deliver very nice graphics for the data. So here we have some data from Melissa Turley, one of our expert chemists here at Agilent, and she was working to get ready for a conference, ASMS in this case. I'm sure many of you get ready for conferences, HPLC for example, and she had several pieces of data, N of 6 for 126 pesticides, and she was able to generate these very nice Excel graphs to create her poster in just under 3 minutes. And so when we take a look at how that happens, the masshunter quantitative analysis software generates two pieces of information, the XML results and graphics. And then that information is delivered directly into Excel using the Excel add-in. Then an Excel file is generated, and that can generate a PDF report. However, we have a new capability in masshunter quantitative analysis to very quickly render a document and generate a PDF directly without using Excel through technology referred to as iText. And the reason for that is because we observed that as Excel matured as a product, the amount of time that was required to generate an Excel-based report increased. And part of that was related to the graphic step. And so when we take a look at how Excel compares to this direct PDF approach, we can see that the performance improvement is significantly improved. I do want to say that it wasn't just from the direct PDF report. Masshunter quantitative analysis has gone through a variety of efforts to modernize and streamline the code so that its processing performance is also improved. So we can automatically generate reports, and we can use a report method to generate one or both of a PDF or Excel-based report. So a report method will consolidate the report settings related to templates, graphics, and the post-processing step. And one report method can do both an Excel and PDF report. And once the report method is created, of course, it can be included in the unified method. And for those of you who are interested in exploring the PDF-based approach, there's dozens of templates that are available to you at the time of installation. And small edits to the PDF reports can be made, for example, changing a logo or a label. So to kind of conclude the reporting section of today's conversation, I thought it would be useful to summarize the two reporting approaches. So from an Excel perspective, Excel-based reporting is fully supported in masshunter quantitative analysis and will continue to be supported for many years to come. And the reason for that is that in addition of using the industry standard Microsoft supported plugin, we recognize that Excel-based reporting has been around for several years and that there's quite a few templates that are in use, over 400 in fact. And there's also some benefits for using Excel-based reporting for repurposing the information, like the example you saw for the ASMS poster. So using the information in Word documents or PowerPoints, we recognize that that's an important feature. And of course, Excel is very feature-rich and content-rich, and we want to take advantage of that. From a PDF reporting perspective, it's been available for the past few years, and as you saw, it is significantly faster, especially for large data sets. And the reason for that is because the graphics are PDF direct content, and they don't have to go through the graphics device interface, which can often be the source of a slow report in Excel. It uses minimum memory, and as I shared, the logos, labels, and graphics can be customized. It's based on Python programming language, which might be of some interest to some of you. Python as a programming language was voted the most popular in 2013. And this PDF reporting is our foundation for taking advantage of some of the Python features in order to do the fileless integration with LIMS, or a laboratory information system.